Hello, welcome back to Cooking with Neighbours. It is I, jerri-ellen, and tonight we are making pineapple squares. In a bowl here, I have 6 cups of graham cracker crumbs. I am going to add a melted 1.5 sticks of butter, or 12 tablespoons of butter, or 3/4 of a cup of butter. Okay? So I'm just going to get a spoon so I can mix that through. So that's going to go in here. My oven is preheated to 350. And I have a 9x13 can that I put some parchment paper in just so that I can lift this out easier when it's done.
So you already crushed up graham crackers?
No, I bought a box. They're already crushed up. And you get about 4 cups in one box, just so you know. Dump this on in there.
Okay, well that's not the best camera angle.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
I'll do it this way?
Yeah.
Oh, I still can't do it that way, sorry.
Alright.
You want to know what? It should go to the pan. Let's see. There's 3 layers to this.
Wow.
Okay. The first layer we are going to bake for like 10 minutes. It'll go down a bit too as it bakes. Yeah. Okay. And when it comes out, we have to let it completely cool before we put our second layer on. So I'll put that in. What time is it? Okay, so 1.5 sticks of butter, 3/4 of a cup, room temperature. 1. There we go. And I got 2 cans of crushed pineapples, and I strained it and squeezed the liquids out of it. There's our 1.5 sticks of butter. It's inside the
1.5 sticks of butter in there.
Yeah. Which is 3/4 of a cup. Now I'm putting in 1.5 of icing sugar. Okay? So 1.5 of icing sugar. Now, back where I grew up, these were quite popular. In the middle layer, they actually put 2 eggs. But I don't want to use raw egg because there are people that don't want to eat raw egg. So instead of the raw egg, to add moisture and stuff to it, I'm going to add the pineapple juice.
Oh, cool.
And it'll give a nice flavor anyway. So I got to cream this together. So you can get a shot of it if you want, Case. I'll wait till that starts creaming before I add my pineapple juice.
Wow.
Yeah, it's coming together a little. I'm just going to start adding some of this. You see this here, Casey? That's vanilla sugar. I like it a lot. Or you can use 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Alright.
Okay. Our bottom layer of our graham cracker crumbs are done baking, and I have them cooling off because you want it to be cool before you add your middle layer. So, before we add our middle layer.
Middle up.
So, as I was doing this and using the pineapple juice instead of the 2 eggs, I wasn't getting the consistency that I would get using the 2 eggs. So I used 1/2 cup of the pineapple juice and I added another 1.5 cups of icing sugar, just to give it that frosting type of layer for the center. Okay, All right, now we're going to do the top layer while that's cooling, and then we're going to put everything together. Okay, I'll be right back, Case.
Alright.
All right, so now we're doing our top layer. This is heavy whipping cream, 1 cup. Okay, I'm going to put that in, and I'm going to get that going. So to help your cream whip, like to help it whip up nicely for you and quickly,
You might have
chill-
to speak up.
chill your bowl.
Chill your bowl in the freezer?
Yeah, you can put it in the freezer,
Okay.
or you can put ice in your bowl and then take the ice out. But a chilled bowl will help.
Okay.
It's turning into it. It's pretty much done. Give me 1 more minute. That's what I'm talking about. Woo-hoo-hoo. Ta-da! Okay. And here's our strained pineapples.
Oh my gosh.
There you go. So now we're going to fold our pineapples into this.
So is that the pineapples that you squished?
Yeah, they're crushed pineapples. They're already crushed in the can, but you want to strain all the liquid off and squeeze some of the liquid off too. Right? So that they're kind of dryish before you put them in, or else you end up with a runny topping. My graham crackers. Okay, so now I'm going to assemble this. This is going to be so good. And then after I assemble it, you have to at least put it in the fridge for like at least 3-4 hours to set. We'll move that for a second.
Oh my gosh. So we're not going to eat this today?
Oh yeah, well, it'll be late. Okay. Woo-hoo-hoo. Doesn't that look good so far? Tasty. You're going to love it. Never had this in a couple of years. Used to make this with my cousins in Cape Breton around Christmas time every year. Okay. Now, our top layer.
Oh my gosh. Again. She's like moaning to get on the chair. Go ahead. You got it.
Henrietta. Well, maybe we'll have to wash our hands, I guess. 1 second. Okay. Now just with the eggs in the center one, it's usually a lot firmer, to be honest. Okay, now we're going to sprinkle oh, this is actually turning out quite nicely. I'm going to put that in the fridge for a few hours and then we'll be back and I'll cut you a piece.
Okay, I want some now. I want some now.
Okay, I'll be back.
Bye.
Okay, we're back. I let it cool in the fridge for a few hours.
Looks better than I thought it was going to. It looks really good.
Yeah. And when I was taking it out of the pan, Casey, before I lifted it with the parchment paper, I took the butter knife and I went like this. I cut along the cooked edge, right?
Alright. And then you took it out.
Yeah, because the crust, because it is a cooked crust, can stick to the pan. So I didn't want to tear it. So I cut that end and that end that was exposed to the pan. Okay? Right. Now, if you wanted to have more of the whipped cream topping, just double the amount of whipped cream that I use. Use 2 cups instead of 1. Should I cut them all the same size? Would that look prettier?
That's good enough.
Good enough.
It's all good. It's good for
I
today.
could turn off light. I can do another picture in the morning. I'll cut some off
No, we're
late.
good.
Okay. Now we have to try a piece.
All right.
Okay. Now I'll tell you what it's like.
You trying to block your mouth with a fork? Is it good?
Need another piece. It is good.
It is good.
Want to try it? Taste?
Yeah, I'll rate this out of 10.
Okay.
But I don't have anything to compare it to. Did you like double dip with that fork? No,
Yes, I did.
Like, don't give me that.
Okay, here you go. Pick up a piece.
Right. Wow.
You like it? Yeah, my
I
face.
feel kind of not genuine rating it out of 10, so I won't do that.
Why?
Because it's 10 out of 10.
Okay, then it's 10 out of 10. Very tasty.
It's like a
It's refreshing.
summer eve.
I'm going to eat my hands again.
You eat these on Christmas, it's like a pineapple summer vibe to me.
Yeah, you can have it in summer too. But Melanie and I, my cousin, we used to make them Christmas time every year.
Alright.
Okay?
Bye.
Okay. Thank you guys. Bye. Like,
Bye.
share, subscribe.
Bye.